Cleanup in Florissant is still underway after a powerful tornado ripped through the area, leaving behind widespread destruction.
One family walked away alive after a massive tree came crashing into their home. 5 on your side's Megan Kernan joins us live from North St. Louis County to share their close call. Megan.
Yeah, Mike, the devastation here is hard to put into words. Homes are unlivable, debris is scattered everywhere, and trees are down, like this one that just missed this home. Just down the street, one mother and son weren't as lucky. They say it's a miracle they're alive.
Huge rush of wind. All of a sudden, it just was unreal.
An EF2 tornado hit Florissant late Friday night, bringing strong winds that toppled trees and power lines and ripped through homes. Many are still picking up the pieces. Diane Ekstrand and her son Matthew got inside this small storm shelter in their basement when the sirens blared on Thunderbird.
We closed the door, and then a few seconds later the tornado hit, and we heard everything upstairs come crashing down.
The tree came in through 3 rooms, really, and I have no master bath left. It's gone. It was terrifying.
This large oak tree from their neighbor's backyard crashed through their home, leaving gaping holes in the roof and damage scattered all throughout. Their family home since 1994 now has a tree in their living room, their dining room, and Diane's bathroom.
Very sad. Any damage is horrible for anybody that has to live through it. Yeah. You can't replace a lot of things, but you've got your memories, and that's what counts.
The family is now trying to salvage what they can with help from friends, but the Ekstrands are without a place to live.
And I wouldn't feel safe living in it, having all the insulation from the roofs, the ceiling above it's not healthy to breathe.
Say the storm shelter saved your life?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean, we're blessed we're alive and not hurt, but we've lost almost everything.
The Ekstrands are waiting on insurance to determine if their home is a total loss. Florissant City crews have started picking up tree limbs and debris in some of those hardest hit neighborhoods. Live in Florissant, Megan Kernan, 5 on your side.